My Dada, my Acharya, meditation teacher, he gave me the most beautiful definition of poetry there is. He said, what is, I asked him, what is poetry? He said, poetry is to forget everything, to look inside deeply, and find something the most important at this moment. And that's something most important express with the most beautiful words you are capable of. So that's the definition of poetry. Look inside, find something which is the most important and express it with the most beautiful words you can find. And I think our life is also poetry. Search inside, find something which is the most important and express it through the words, through the actions, through your adventures, through your everything. Something most important, express it in the most beautiful form.